Hey guys, Mark over here at Compass Wave. Just wanted to get on here and introduce you guys to some pretty cool new features that I'm excited to talk about today. One of the first features that we've recently released was the ability for you to fully customize your widget within Compass Wave. So if you remember, our estimate tool was essentially a 5-step process. We kind of locked you into what those pages looked like. The first page was the address and zip. The second page was where we asked you to confirm the square footage, number of bedrooms, number of baths. The third page were the questions that you were able to pick and choose on the back end of Compass Wave. Fourth step was the name, phone number, and email of the customer requesting that estimate. And then the fifth step is where we showed the cost and everything as far as the estimate is concerned. What we've done is we've created this new section within the backend where you can fully customize what that widget looks like. So if you log in and click on Tools and then Widget Pages, you'll see this new section here where you can actually create as many or as few pages as you want. So in this example here, we have a 3-page widget. In our first page, we're just collecting their address information. So if I scroll down, you just see the address, apartment, and zip code. The second step is where we display the aerial view. We confirm the square footage, confirm the rooms, questions, and we ask for the contact information. Those are what's displayed to the user. These other modules, which we get into a little bit more detail in some other videos, basically do the calculations and functionality. And then the third step is where we display the results and show a report link. So when you click on Add New Page, it dynamically creates this here, and you can drag and drop any of these modules either from page to page, or the ones on the right here, which, as you can see, we have the book appointment modules. We have a, which I'll talk about this in just a second, the push to SendJim module. We also have a push to Zapier module that pushes it into our SendJim or our Zapier webhook integration. We also have a redirect. So if you wanted to redirect users on the last page of your widget to a thank you page, you can do that by putting this module into your widget as well. And then of course we have the available days and available times, which are related to our booking. These push to SendJim, so that's the one I'm going to get into now. We have an integration. If you click on the integrations tab on the left, SendJim, it'll say integrate with SendJim. Basically, you do have to have an account with SendJim to be able to do this integration. So you'll just want to visit sendjim.com, sign up for an account. Once you've done that, you'll go back into Compass Wave, you'll do integrate with SendJim, and it'll connect you into your SendJim account. And now what happens is if you have that module in your widget, every time someone goes through the estimate tool, their name and contact information, as well as their address, will go directly into the My Addresses section of SendJim. We also have added a tag called Compass Wave that we know exactly where these addresses are coming from. And that's pretty much it. Any other functionality that you want to use with SendJim, which if you don't know much about it, I definitely encourage you to visit their website and check out some of their videos. Basically, you can send radius bombs, mailers, advertising to these direct addresses. So this is going to be a huge marketing tool for you to use within Compass Wave for all of the estimates that come through our software, sending them into SendJim and then utilizing their system to do physical mailers to prospective clients. If you have any questions, you can reach anyone from our support team. Just click on this orange chat bubble in the bottom right hand corner and we'll get back to you right away.